Apple is gearing up to make a massive impact once again. And this time, it's not just about refining an existing iPhone, it's about introducing something entirely new. The upcoming iPhone 17 series is rumored to include a groundbreaking edition, known as the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to be the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made. This device isn't just about being slim, it's about combining ultra-sleek aesthetics with high-end performance, all while maintaining Apple's hallmark attention to detail. The iPhone 17 Air is set to feature a design that's only 5.5 millimeters thick, a significant departure from Apple's previous models and thinner than any mainstream iPhone to date. With this remarkably slim body, Apple plans to use a blend of titanium and aluminum materials, giving the phone a lightweight yet strong build. Complemented by a subtle rear glass section around the iconic Apple logo, the design also showcases a new horizontal camera module on the back, housing a single 8MP wide-angle lens on the left and an LED flash on the right. This unique layout, paired with an estimated weight of around 145 grams similar to the iPhone 13 mini, will give users a minimalist, pocket-friendly flagship that still feels premium in the hand. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to launch at Apple's annual September event, with likely announcement dates falling between September 9th and 11th, 2025, and retail availability projected to begin around September 19th. Moving on to the display. The iPhone 17 Air will boast a 6.6-inch OLED screen, strategically sized between the base iPhone 17's 6.3 inches and the Pro Max's massive 6.9 inches. What truly stands out is the inclusion of a 120Hz refresh rate, a first for a non-Pro iPhone model. While it might not feature Promotion's dynamic refresh rate technology, having a fixed 120Hz refresh rate will still deliver buttery smooth animations, enhanced scrolling, and an immersive experience for content consumption and gaming. The display will offer a unique resolution of 1260 to 1740 pixels, paired with high brightness levels and vivid color accuracy, making it ideal for everything from Netflix binges to professional workflows. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be powered by Apple's cutting-edge A19 chipset, which could either be the standard A19 with a 5-core GPU or a slightly downclocked version of the A19 Pro chip, possibly sharing architecture with the iPhone 17 Pro models. This new processor is expected to deliver significant improvements in AI processing, power efficiency, and graphics rendering. Even more impressive is the possible inclusion of 12 GB of RAM, making this the first non-Pro iPhone to match the Pro models in terms of memory and multitasking performance. All of this will be supported by a vapor chamber cooling system, which Apple is expected to bring across the entire iPhone 17 lineup, helping the device maintain peak performance, even during demanding tasks. Now, despite all of these power-packed specs, the thinness of the iPhone 17 Air comes with one expected compromise: battery life. Sources suggest that the device may feature a battery capacity of just under 3,000 mAh, possibly around 1,800 mAh, which is lower than most modern smartphones. However, Apple is preparing to counteract this with iOS 26's adaptive power mode, a new software feature that intelligently optimizes background processes and system power draw based on your usage habits. Additionally, Apple might launch a custom-designed smart battery case tailored specifically for the iPhone 17 Air, ensuring it can last all day without sacrificing its thin profile. On the software front, the iPhone 17 Air will debut with iOS 26, bringing a range of new features including Siri 2.0, powered by Apple Intelligence, smarter live voicemail summaries, AI-generated note summaries, visual search enhancements, and a revamped lock screen experience. These updates are designed to make iPhones more intuitive, more responsive, and far more efficient, especially for devices like the Air that rely on smart power management. When it comes to photography, the iPhone 17 Air's single 8MP rear camera may seem like a step down compared to the multi-lens Pro models, but Apple is expected to lean heavily into computational photography. With its machine learning engine and image signal processor improvements, Apple aims to deliver flagship-level image quality using software rather than hardware. Portrait mode, night mode, smart HDR, and AI-powered zoom will all work behind the scenes to make sure you never miss the perfect shot. Even more exciting is the upgraded to 4MP front-facing camera, which is expected to offer crystal-clear selfies, cinematic video calling, and superior low-light performance. If you use FaceTime, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat regularly, this front camera will be a game-changer. Biometric security is expected to remain via Face ID, housed within the dynamic island. But whispers in the supply chain suggest Apple might be testing Touch ID integration within the power button, especially for regions where biometric redundancy is required. Connectivity is also getting a refreshed Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 will allow for faster wireless performance, lower latency, and better energy efficiency across accessories and AirPods. The iPhone 17 Air is also expected to support UWB 2.0, which will power improved location tracking and AirTag precision. Apple is likely to stick to SIM-only configurations in most major markets, as seen with the iPhone 15 series in the US. And users can expect MagSafe charging and accessories to remain a key ecosystem feature. The device is rumored to be offered in new colorways, possibly including sky blue, silver frost, rose gold, and graphite, with a refined matte texture that resists fingerprints while maintaining a luxurious feel. In terms of price, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to sit just below the Pro models, likely starting at around $899. Though storage tiers and country-specific taxes could nudge that price higher. It will be part of a broader iPhone 17 family that includes the iPhone 17 6.3, iPhone 17 Plus 6, 7 inches, iPhone 17 Pro 6.3, and iPhone 17 Pro Max 6.9. This puts the Air in a sweet spot for users who want a larger display, pro-level speed, and a premium aesthetic without committing to the bulk and price of a Pro Max. Ultimately, the iPhone 17 Air looks to be Apple's boldest design experiment in years. By stripping back the device's thickness and relying on smarter software, advanced cooling, and AI-enhanced photography, Apple is taking a minimalist approach that doesn't compromise on performance. For those who value lightweight designs, effortless portability, and futuristic aesthetics, the iPhone 17 Air may be the most exciting iPhone launch since the original. While power users may still gravitate toward the Pro and Pro Max for battery life and triple-lens cameras, the Air model carves out a distinct identity for a modern user who prioritizes speed, design, and ecosystem synergy over sheer specs. It's slim, it's smart, it's powerful, and it's the iPhone reimagined for 2025.